All right, what's going on, boys and girls? So this video is going to be something that I touched on in the Ion PC reaction video I did today. I am so tired of seeing this. My distro is better than your distro. Use this distro. That distro is wrong. How about instead of having your head up your ass, if you're one of these zealots that think your choice is the only choice, instead of having your head up your ass and deciding to peek through your penis, that you actually take into consideration the needs and the use and the wants of the user. If they're more technically inclined and they want the most control, Arch, Gentoo, whatever, tailor the experience and the recommendations to the user. If they just want shit to work, or they're coming from a tablet, or that kind of thing, give them Deepin or something. You have to tailor to the user and what the user needs and wants and expects. To minimize that effort, give them applications on their current platform and slide that way when you change the base OS, it doesn't matter because they used all the other application on the other OS. The interface might be different, but the apps are no fucking different. So I find it really disheartening when I see the biggest YouTubers saying like X, Y, or Z is the devil, and people like clamor to this shit. When you have you're going to be having 100,000 subs, and this is the jack off that people decide to go to. And he's doing exactly which is a detriment to the community. Instead of making recommendations of, hey, it's Linux is better than Windows or Mac OS, it's we're going to belittle this because they do dumb shit. Homie, you do dumb shit all the time. Learn when a distro was made. Not in the mid-2000s. If it was Gentoo, it was 2000. If it was Arch, it was 2002. Get the point. My problem is that even the biggest people that make the recommendations are the ones that are pushing forward this mentality of my distro is better than this distro. I'm always going to argue that. You can use whatever fucking distro you want. Your choice does not equate to somebody else's choice. And that's the key point. Because if you do that, you are no better than Microsoft or Apple because you are limiting that person's choice. You give them the options, but you help direct them. I know that's a novel fucking concept, to not have your head in your ass and actually have to see from a different perspective of that new user or a person switching. But really, that is the only way for a community to grow. We live or die by the community, and when the community's biggest voices are the ones spewing the dumbest shit, that is a problem. So for me, I'm always going to recommend giving the user the best distro for them. I have my preferences. Excuse me. I have my preferences. I have what I prefer. I have X, Y, or Z. But I'm not going to say, oh, these are the only options. That's just fucking dumb. So to those that are doing that, stop it. Fucking stop it. You are a detriment to the Linux community. You are not a help. To me, at the end of the day, those people, the ones with the loudest voices that are spewing this dumb shit of like, oh, Ubuntu's evil, Ubuntu's the devil, Linux Mint's terrible, etc. That's for you, not every user. Your opinion is just that. What works for you is just that. It's your opinion and what works for you, not everybody else. Because really, at the end of the day, if you take away people's choices or you belittle their choices, you're no better than the people you claim to run away from Windows or Mac OS. Now let that fucking sink in.